Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of chapter wise revision, that is chapter 6 coordinate geometry. So let us see the questions from the coordinate geometry. Here the first main is choose the correct answers, that is multiple choice question. The distance of the point 4 minus 3 from the origin is, when in the question when there is a word origin, then we should take the distance formula when origin is given. We know the formula for origin. Okay, the distance between the point 4 minus 3. Okay, so the first question is the distance between point 4 minus 3 and origin, from the origin. Okay, so we know that d is equals to root of x square plus y square. This is the formula for the point and origin. Now x first given point and y is a next given point. So d is equals to root of 4 square plus minus 3 square. D is equals to root of 4 square is 16 plus minus negative number to the power square is positive. Always it is. Minus 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9. Negative sign will go. So D is equals to 16 plus 9 is 25. D is equals to 5 unit. So the correct option in the given question is 5 unit. B, 5 unit. So the next question, the distance of the point PQ from the origin is, here direct it is like formula PQ they have told. Just now I have told na, if number is given D is equals to root of x square plus y square, like this how I have given D is equals to root of x square plus y square, like that here in this answer will be what? D is equals to point PQ, P square plus Q square. D is equals to root of what number is given? P square plus Q square. Next, the coordinate of origin is, the coordinate of origin means always 0 0. The coordinate of origin is 0 0. So answer is A, 0 0. They may ask question, write the coordinate of origin. The coordinate of origin is 0 0. Next question, the distance of the point 3 4 from y axis is. Okay, let me see this fourth one question. The distance of the point 3 4 from y axis is. Okay, point 3 4 from y axis. Let me show here. This is your y axis and this is x axis. Now this is 0 1 2 3 4. Here also let me write 1 2 3 4, and here negative they didn't ask na, so I have written only positive number. Now 3 4, x 3 y 4, this is your point. Now what they are asking, the distance of the point 3 4 from y axis is, from y axis, this is y axis, from 5 till here distance is 3 unit. You can see here, so that this distance is 3 unit. So answer is 3. The coordinate of the distance of the point 3 4 from y axis is 3. If they would have asked from x axis, it will be 4. Distance will be 4. Okay. Now next question, question number 5. The midpoint of the line joining of 2 3 and 4 7 is. The midpoint of line segment joining 2 3 and 4 7 is 2 3 and 4 7. What they have asked, find the midpoint of. We know that midpoint is equals to formula you should know, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So we know this first point is x1 and y1, x2, y2. Let us substitute in this. x1 is 2 plus x2 is 4 by 2, y1 3 plus y2 7 by 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 6 by 2 comma 7 plus 3 10 by 2. So the answer is 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 5s are 3, 5 is the midpoint of points line joining the point. So here the answer is 3 5. We got answer 3 5. So option in this is D 3 5. So these are the multiple choice question from the department booklet. So let us see now small question. Find the distance between the point 2 3 and 6 6. Find the distance between the point 2 3 and 6 6. Okay, let me write question. Find the distance between the point 2 3 and 6 6. Distance between 2 3 and 6 6. See, previous question is midpoint they have asked. Now distance. We know distance formula, D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So first point is x1 y1 and the second point is x2 y2. D is equals to root of x2 is, we should write proper value, x2 value is 6 minus x1 2 whole square plus y2 6 minus y1 3 whole square. D is equals to 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4 square plus 6 minus 3 is 3 square. D is equals to root of 16 plus 9. D is equals to root of 25 and D is equals to 5 unit. This is the distance between 2 3 and 6 6. Next question. The coordinate of one end of a radius OA of a circle are a minus 7 1 and the coordinate of center of the circle are O minus 5 4. Find the radius of the circle. Okay, here they have told, let me draw just one circle. What they have told, this is the center and this is the radius. It is told in the question, the coordinate of one end of the radius OA are a minus 7 1 and the coordinate of center of a circle is minus 5 4. Find the radius. That means distance between OA we need to find the radius. So let me find. Next question number is 7. Okay, radius OA is equals to, first we know distance formula, distance between O minus 5 4 and A minus 7 1. So distance formula just now I have written, again one time let me write, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So distance, which distance? Radius OA is equals to root of, first point is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2. Now x2 what? Minus 7 minus formula as it is x1 minus 5 whole square plus y2 value is 1 minus formula minus as it is y1 4 whole square. Okay, OA is equals to root of minus 7 as it is minus minus plus 5 whole square plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square. OA is equals to 1 minus 1 plus means you have to do minus. 7 minus 5 is 2. Greater number is minus 2 whole square. Plus negative number square is always positive. 3 square is 9. Here also again negative number is plus only 2 square 4 plus 9. OA is equals to root 13. So you should write therefore the radius of a circle is root 13 unit. So this is the answer. Let us see the next question. So you can see root 13 unit. Now the next question, in what ratio? So in what ratio, in the sense we have to find the ratio here. In what ratio does the point P minus 4 6 divide the line joining points A minus 6 10 and 3 minus 8? In what ratio they have asked. So we have to find the ratio here. Okay. Let me solve this. In what ratio the point P minus 4 6 divide the line joining points A minus 6 10 and 3 B 3 minus 8. Find the ratio they are asking here. In what ratio? Okay, let us find in what ratio it divides the line joining point. Okay, we know that coordinate of point is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. When they ask to find ratio and when the ratio is given, we should always take this formula, section formula, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, so the given coordinate of point is given. It is, let us write coordinate of the point minus 4 6 is equals to, here the point first A is x1 y1 and point B is x2 y2. So let us write now value m1 m2. m1 and m2 value we don't know. We should find the ratio. m1 we will write as it is, x2 is 3 plus m2 we don't know, x1 minus 6 upon m1 plus m2, comma m1 again we don't know, y2 value is minus 8 plus m2 as it is, y1 is 10 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, now next step, minus 4 6 is equals to 3m1 plus minus 6m2 upon m1 plus m2, comma minus 8m1 plus 10m2 upon m1 plus m2. Let us find the ratio. See, this is also x coordinate and this is also x coordinate. This y coordinate, y coordinate. So we will equate this x to x. That is minus 4 is equals to 3m1 minus 6m2 upon m1 plus m2, and 6 is equals to y is equals to y minus 8m1 plus 10m2 upon m1 plus m2. What we have done here, First x coordinate with x we have equate, and y coordinate with y we have equate. Equate in the sense equal to. Okay. Now we will find m1 m2 value. We will cross multiply this here. Minus 4 into m1 plus m2 is equals to 3m1 minus 6m2. Minus 4m1 plus minus 4m2 is equals to 3m1 minus 6m2. m1 term we will write one side. Minus 4m1 here only. I will bring this minus 3m1 this side. Minus 6m1 here, m2 here only. I'll bring plus 4m2. Minus minus plus minus 7m1 is equals to 1 minus 1 plus is minus 2 m2. Minus minus get cancel. m1 here only. If I bring m2 this side, it becomes divide, and 2 here only. If I bring 7 this side, divide. So the m1 is to m2 ratio is m1 is to m2 is nothing but 2 is to 7. So we got 2 is to 7. Same way we have to do this side also. We will get 2 is to 7 only. How we have to do? Same like we have to do. 6 into m1 plus m2 is equals to minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2. Okay. 6 m1 plus 6 m2 is equals to minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2. Now m1 one side and m2 one side. m1 value 6 m1 here only plus 8 m1 is equals to 10 m2 here only minus 6 m2. Okay. 8 plus 6 how much? 14. 14 m1 is equals to 10 minus 6 4 m2. Okay. Now m1 this side as it is will keep. m2 if I bring, it get divides. 4 as it is. 14 if I take like this. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. We got m1 upon m2 is 2 by 7, that is 2 is to 7. Same ratio only you should get. So they have told in what ratio na, that is ratio is 2 is to 7. Like this way you have to solve this problem, which is very easy. So the next question now, check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Or they have told, this is a very important question, check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of isosceles triangle. We have to check whether it is vertices of isosceles triangle or not. Let me draw one triangle A, B, C. A, let us take first point as A, 5 minus 2, B as 6, 4 and C as 7 minus 2. We will write, let A 5 minus 2, B 6, 4 and C 7 minus 2 be the vertices of triangle. Now we should check whether it is isosceles or not. Okay, to check isosceles or not, we know that in previous classes we have learned that the triangles are said to be isosceles if two sides are equal. Any two sides are equal, then we can say that the given triangle is isosceles. Now let us first find first side. We know distance formula, D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First we'll find the distance between A and B. A point is 5 minus 2 and B is 6, 4. Okay. First point is x1, y1. Second point is x2, y2. Now which distance we are finding? AB. AB is equals to root of x2 6 minus x1 5 whole square plus y2 4 minus y1 minus 2 whole square. AB is equals to root of 6 minus 5 1 square plus 4 as it is minus minus plus 2 whole square is equals to root of 1 square is 1 plus 4 plus 2 6 square is equals to 1 plus 6 square is 36. AB is equals to, next step last is 1 plus 36 is root 37. First AB side what we got? AB is equals to root 37. Let us find BC distance now. B what? 6, 4 and C 7 minus 2. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Let us find D. D is equals to, formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So D, which distance we are finding now? BC is equals to root of x2 is 7 minus sign as it is, x1 is 6 whole square plus y2 is minus 2, formula minus as it is, y1 value is 4 whole square. BC is equals to root of 7 minus 6 1 square plus minus minus plus minus 6 whole square. I have told negative number square is always positive. So 1 square is 1 plus minus 6 square is 36. BC is 1 plus 36 is nothing but 37. So here we got two sides same, but we should check third side also. If third side also same is, it is equilateral triangle. So we should check first third side. AC side we have to check now. A value is 5 minus 2 and C value is 7 minus 2. This is x1, this is y1, x2, y2. D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So which side now? AC. AC is equals to x2 which 7 minus x1 value is 5 whole square plus y2 minus 2 minus formula sign as it is, y1 is minus 2. Okay. Root of 7 minus 5 2 square plus minus 2 plus 2. Okay. Here AC is equals to root of 2 square is 4 plus minus 0. So AC is equals to root 4 and which is equal to AC is equals to 2. So now we can write here AB equal to BC but not equal to AC. Therefore, the given points are of isosceles triangle. Therefore, it is isosceles triangle because two sides we got equal now. Therefore, it is isosceles triangle, or you can write, we have taken ABC now. ABC is isosceles triangle. Is show that the points minus 1 minus 2 1 0 minus 1 2 and minus 3 0 are the vertices of square. show that they have to. Show that means we have to prove that these points are the vertices of square. Let us draw one square. Let us draw one square. A, B, C, D. Show that the points are the vertices of the square they have told now. First point -1, -2. Second point 1, 0. Third point -1, 2. And fourth point -3, 0. Let us consider. Let A -1, -2 B 1, 0 and C -1, 2 and D -3, 0 be the vertices of square. Okay, now show that these are the points of the vertices. Prove we have to do. Let us take AB. A -1, -2 B 1, 0. Let us find the distance between A. D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now AB is equals to root of x2, first point x1 y1, second point x2 y2. x2 is 1, formula minus as it is x1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 0, formula minus this minus as it is y1 minus 2 whole square. AB is equals to root of 1 minus plus whole square plus 0 plus minus is plus 2 whole square. AB is equals to 1 plus 1 2 whole square, 0 plus 2 2 whole square. AB is equals to 2 square is 4 plus 2 square is 4. AB is equals to 8. Root 8 we got AB. Now let us see BC. Here I'll do B point is 1, 0. C point is -1, 2. Okay. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Formula D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. D is equals to root of x2 minus 1, formula as it is minus x1 1 whole square plus y2 value is 2 minus y1 value is 0 whole square. D is equals to root of minus plus -2 whole square plus 2 minus 0 is 2 whole square. D is equals to negative number square is always positive. -2 square is 4 plus 2 square is 4. So D is equals to 4 plus 4 is root 8. D no. Sorry, in place of D what we have to write? Which distance? BC. BC and BC is equals to what we got? Root 8. BC is equals to root 8. So let us check now. Next CD. C value is -1, 2. D value is -3, 0. Okay. Let us check now. Distance D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, this is x1 y1, x2, y2. Let us substitute. CD is equals to root of x2 value is minus 3 minus as it is x1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is 2 whole square. CD is equals to root of minus 3 minus plus 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. CD is equals to root of minus plus minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square is 4. Negative number square. CD is equals to negative number square is positive. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 4. CD also we got 4 plus 4 as root 8. Now last one, what we have to find? AD. AB we finished. AB we finished. BC we finished. CD we finished. Now AD. Let me write point. A is minus 1 minus 2 and D point is minus 3 0. Okay. D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. AD is equals to root of x2. Okay, first point x1 y1, second point x2 y2. Okay, x2 value is minus 3 minus as it is x1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 value is 0 y1 minus 2 whole square. Okay, AD is equals to root of minus 3 minus plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus plus 2 whole square. Then AD is equals to root of minus plus minus 3 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 and plus 2. AD is equals to 2 square is 4, negative number square is positive, plus 2 square is 4. AD is equals to 4 plus 4 is root 8. So here AD also is 8. So we can see here AB also root 8, BC also root 8, CD also root 8 and AD also what we got? Root 8. Therefore AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. Here all sides are equal. Therefore ABCD is a square. So we proved that. They have told in the question. Show that ABCD is a square, they have told. So we proved. Here question is show that points minus 1 minus 2 1 0 minus 1 2 and are the vertices of square, they have told to show. So we proved here it is a square. So this completes the 10th one problem. In my next video I am going to continue with the 11th one problems. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.